For many Hong Kongers, the sea is a place for trade, competitive sports, festival celebration, or simply just relaxation after a tiring day. But for some people, they call it home. For boat dwellers, or in Chinese, 小鱼闪阳, the sea is their home for centuries. Living in Aberdeen, their homes and lives are built around the sea, shaped by the rhythms of waves, boats, weather, and the movement of harbor.
以前因為我爸爸咧就係做拖網漁船嘅，就會喺南中國海嗰度作業啦。咁我小學嗰陣咧，其實都經常咧跟佢一齊去出海啦。咁大概可能咧就會一個星期咧就先翻嚟一次咁樣。我覺得大海對於我嚟講就係好似一個屋企咁樣咯，因為係大海令到我哋屋企係有即係我哋係靠海嚟維生啦，靠海嚟揾食咁樣咯。
When you take a closer look, it's littered with rubbish. Hong Kong Cleanup is a movement that brings volunteer groups to rubbish hotspots to compete in picking up and registering the most trash. Last year, 75,000 people took part.
It is so dirty.
發現即係水嘅污染有冇？
有，
即係咪就會唔會微鹽咧？或者就覺得
污染一定係有啦，
一定係有嘅。
係啊，水好做得以前啲水好清好靚㗎嘛，望到吹水好污濁㗎，不過冇咁多工業污染啦，一直啊，以前好多工業污染仲差啲。
嘅使用者啦，或者可能係漁民啦，或者甚至係一啲嘅遊客咁樣，即係希望佢哋就唔好將垃圾就抌喺大海啦。玩完啊，或者可能 party 完之後，佢哋會真係會將啲垃圾就咁就隨手就抌落海。咁我覺得係需要提高呢方面嘅罰則，或者可能係一啲嘅教育上面嘅意識咁樣咯。
When we look at Aberdeen, we should not only see a fading cultural heritage or a beautiful harbour view, but a way of life that grows together with nature. Protecting the sea means protecting more than the sea itself. It means protecting a home, a community, and an important part of Hong Kong's culture. Keep the harbour clean, protect the people who live on the sea, and respect the nature that gives this city life.